Under the joint initiatives of Jamatia Hoda and TRPCL on Wednesday, a program of Janajati Gaurav Divas was observed at Goria Academy School of Ompi. TRPCL Chairman Patalkaina Jamatia, Captain G.S. Rathi, and advisor of Jamatia Hoda Pulindra Kumar Jamatia attended the program as a chief guest. 15th November, Wednesday, is the 148th birth anniversary of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. After BJP government came into power, every year his birthday is observed as Janajati Gaurav Divas by central and state. Likewise, on Wednesday, under the joint initiatives of Jamatia Hoda and TRPCL on Wednesday, a program of Janajati Gaurav Divas was observed at Goria Academy School of Ompi. TRPCL Chairman Patalkaina Jamatia, Captain G.S. Rathi, and advisor of Jamatia Hoda Pulindra Kumar Jamatia attended the program as a chief guest. TRPCL Chairman Patalkaina Jamatia inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp. In the beginning of the program, TRPCL Chairman Patalkaina Jamatia and other guests present in the program paid honor by offering a flower in the portrait of Bhagwan Birsa Munda.
Okay, since may tangan ninyo nagzoto ko si Kablana. Sa des di bagay sa tangay. Te nagori ko kay sini des samong tangwana sa klainay. Sini ko ko ke ko haido. Te 2047 doratoy. Sini o des ni hamari ni bagay. Sang soplaya klay samong tangay. Obang katini samay. Hingga tabo ang kisan ni rokok sanay. Tini sang Birsa Munda ni je sal parai mani. Agono sini ograro kebang mako kaham saka. Tangai Birsa Munda ni salna sang mapalai. Hengke je borok je serai kaham mengai basaga. Des ni bagai hani bagai sameng kai thrinyai. Sukmai borok gongma ke thribai mani pore beseng borom naraga. Boni bemeng tei des tuniana borok moito manaraga. Bismillah ya. Nika tabon nirok serai kaham klai ngira bedes di somasti sameng tangan demusung. Tangan de. Nirok primari olo bahanya. Dos ni des ni hamari bai muito bai klai nirok borom rozakna demusung. Nika sentama mai good student makangai. Hai bele? Okay. Nika abadi badai tini nirok ni thani go पहिला support ngai je nirok kaham ke porinai. Result kaham khainai buma bufani khushi khainai samasti des ni hamari gnang khainai. Okay tini sang nironi thani go chopai mani khanki belai khena important tini ni osal je bharat borsho go agi o sini bharat borsho go kongthai bararo mangsa belu rozagya bukong bararo belu rozagya boram rozagya bharat haktoro susi sini jagya Diliyo thangkangke borni phai saina ni dia phai hini si sungjago piaba tabo pradhan mantri sini pradhan mantri bung tabe Modi ji sini pradhan mantri bung tabe Modi ji ni ozure sini kha bukan tabo ni pradhan mantri Modi ji Modi khangke kongthai bararo je ohawo deso sameng nangmani borok ni bebak sameng nangmani na borom rogoi borok no tisanai abongka Modi ji sini kongthai bararo no jotan islai tisanai pradhan mantri sahab Modi ji sini kongthai bararo no jotan islai tisanai sahab Modi ji ni full form taba Narendra Modi tabo sini Prime Minister ike tabo sini Prime Minister Narendra Modi sini ha kotor ni kongthai bararok ni sameng no naikolei je sameng kaham tang manai rok no borom rogoi tongo ade bagi ni tinara pala gori ni misama ni ro tini porei tongo ni ro kaham porigi borok kaham kotor make sameng kotor tangi manke ni ro borom rozak nai bismi hede ade bagi des ni tabo rashtrapati sabu sala des ni rashtrapati sala Draupadi Murmu des ni rashtrapati sabu President of India sabu Who is President of India? Draupadi Murmu ji. Abo besarabe bobo haine koroksa sanghai kongthai bara esti hani hojangai tini Birsa Munda hai borok des ni sadinata o thui romani bagaina boni bosongo tini des ni jotto islai সংবিধান ni oka angai rashtrapati ngai tabo bubu barai tei kongthai bo bara bosi tini des ni pradhan mantri
At the end of the program, TRPCL Chairman Patalkanya Jamatia distributed sweets among the students of Goria Academy School. Reported by Prabir from Ompi, Chini Khorang.